In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate creating and updating Confluence pages from Jira. We'll connect Jira and Confluence so that whenever a Jira issue is created or updated, a Confluence page is automatically created or refreshed with the latest details. To start, make sure you're working under the same Atlassian site, using the same account. Open Jira and Confluence in your browser and confirm you have permission to create or edit pages in the target Confluence space and to manage automation in Jira, either at the project or global level. Next, head to your automation settings in Jira. If you want this process to run automatically, you'll set it up as a rule. In a specific project, you can find automation in the project settings. If you manage multiple projects, you can also use global automation from the admin area, but project level is a great place to begin. Create a new rule and choose a trigger that matches your use case. A common option is issue created, which fires when a new ticket is added, or issue updated, which reacts to changes like status, fields, or comments. You can narrow the trigger with conditions or a query to only run for certain projects, issue types, or labels. This helps avoid unnecessary pages and keeps your documentation consistent. Add an action to create or update Confluence content. In the action, pick the Confluence space where the page should live, and set a parent page if you want new pages organized under a specific hierarchy. Give the page a clear title. Many teams include the issue key or summary in the title, so it's easy to find later. Now map the Jira issue details into the Confluence page. Use placeholders and smart values to pull in fields like the issue key, summary, description, status, priority, and links back to Jira. You can also format the page body with headings and sections to create a repeatable mini template. If your goal is to update an existing page rather than make a new one each time, choose the update action and reference the right page so you don't create duplicates. When you're satisfied, save the rule and enable it. Give it a clear name so you and your teammates recognize what it does. Finally, test your setup by creating a new Jira issue or updating an existing one according to your trigger. Check Confluence to confirm the page was created or updated and that the fields display as expected. If something doesn't look right, review the rules audit log for detailed feedback and adjust your mappings or conditions. Once it works, you've got a reliable hands-off Jira to Confluence workflow.